Got another special Trans Am. It's a 1970 Ram Air 3400 with a 4-speed and a posi. They made just over 3,000 of these. I think it's about half and half automatic and 4-speed. Don't know the exact numbers offhand. It's a very rare, desirable car. Pontiac historical documented, number matching motor, body off, frame restored. And whatever they did in that motor, it's a little quicker than the typical one. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the info. Look at all the pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find a price tag on all of the cars that we have for sale, along with the monthly finance option. That's at volocars.com, along with a Buy It Now button. If you see something that really tickles your fancy, click the Buy It Now. That just locks the car in for you while you're thinking and talking with the salesman. That's all at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. That way you're notified when the cars are posted, and we just got great cars just rolling through here on a regular basis. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So, like I said, it was body off frame. I know it's just a subframe up front, but everything was removed from under the car. The rear end, all the components, and it was all completely restored. The underbody is all clean metal, painted the same gloss cameo white. It has the Trans Am come with some special ride and handling package, probably stiffer springs and shocks and sway bars front and back. It's all been rebuilt. All the steering and suspension, all redone. It's all clean. It all looks fresh. The fuel system's been replaced. The tank, the lines. It does have a custom stainless steel exhaust system. Looks like 3-inch pipe, has the X pipe, and has MagnaFlow polished mufflers. It sounds really good. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. Brakes were all redone, disc in front, lines, hoses replaced, e-brakes all hooked up. You look up at the motor, the bottom of the motor, the oil pan, all that is just spotless. It has a correct 1970 M20 Muncie 4-speed in there, and 355 posi gears in the back. So everything's redone, everything looks fresh and new underneath the car. Let's check out the body. 70 Trans Am just got rave reviews. People just like the lower stance, the long front end, and a very European sports car type of style. The handling, the looks, they didn't say anything bad about this car, and how could they? Back to the body. So the rubber bumper itself fits really nice. The bumper's in excellent shape. There are cracks in the paint. We'll get back to that in a second. But the bumper, really nice. All the flares fit real nice. That's an actual shaker hood. That's attached to the engine, so that moves. The hood, the car is absolutely straight. Lines up real nice. Clean, smooth metal. No bubbles down here. They come with the air extractors on the fender. I can actually feel warm air. It lets it out of the engine compartment. Sport mirrors. Big, long doors on these cars. Shuts real nice. Smooth, clean. I mean, as smooth and clean at the bottom as it is on top. No issues right here. This can be problem area. That all looks great. All this looks great all the way to the bottom. Trunk lid's real nice. Spoilers fit really nice. The body is amazing, actually. I don't see any issues with this body at all. This is nice. Down here, no bump, no body work. Smooth, clean, and it fits real nice, too. So the body's amazing. Cameo white paint. They're only white or they were blue. Polished like glass. This has been blocked and sanded and buffed. It's beautiful. And I believe I heard a rumor this is painted on, and it is. This is not a decal. They came originally as a decal. That's painted on. They did a wonderful job. Got the color right, has the gray outline pinstripe, and all the way across the roof and the trunk, that's all painted on. So they're rubber. Things happen. It does have straight, just hairline cracks in the paint. It's got a number of them just on the bumper. The grills are in excellent shape. Lower spoilers excellent. Headlight bezels are shiny. Windshield looks crystal clear. Moldings look new. This rain gutter is actually optional. The rubber seals and weather strips look new. See, all these are in real nice shape. The wheels are brand new. We just bought those. They're 15x8 Rally 2s, all new trim with new BF Goodrich tires. It's all new stuff. Rear window, crystal clear, a couple hairline marks on it. Taillights, bumper, emblems, all that really sharp. This trim here looks like it's good original. So that's the outside. I want to show you that blue interior. All right, it's that time we open the trunk. Ooh, we have a working trunk light, bonus. Nice, smooth, glossy paint, the rubber bumpers, the weather strip, all that's real nice. Jam is painted really slick, so I'm really liking what I see so far. Trunk compartment, clean, solid metal, is a real nice fitting matte. There's a gray spatter finish on the inside. Yeah, they did a nice job. I like that those are painted on stripes. The jams are painted real slick. The weather strips were replaced. The door panels are new. The window cranks are new. It looks like it's missing the armrests. These come with the machine-turned instrument panel with the full set of rally gauges. Tachometer and instruments all look nice. Dash pad is excellent shape. Cigarette lighter is a little dingy looking. Not a big deal. Glove box clean. The vents are nice. Kick panels are real nice. Carpet's beautiful. Does have a modern stereo with some 6x9 speakers in the back. Hurst 4-speed shifter. The seats are reupholstered. I love this bright blue interior. Cushions feel real good. Upholstery is real nice. Everything in back's upholstered, and the side panels are new, and the rear speaker shelf is new, and new seat belts, all blue. White headliners in excellent shape, matching visors. There's a little microphone for the stereo, must be hands-free stereo. And one of my favorite steering wheels, the cushion grip formula wheel, and it is on a tilt column. So this is the 400 Ram Air 3, 345 horsepower. And the funny thing is that same exact motor in the GTO is 366 horsepower. They played games with their numbers back then. Freshly rebuilt. Mechanic told me it scoots along. It's quicker than most of the same car, and it is number matched. Does have some coated headers, but beautiful chrome valve covers. It's all painted the Pontiac blue. Shaker hood scoop all looks nice. The firewall and the cowl and the rubber, all that's real good. This is all nice. GM hoses at the overflow bottle, the right cap, the right shroud. This is a detailed motor compartment. All the black surfaces are painted real nice. Washer fluids hooked up, batteries bolted down. We got power steering, we got power brakes. Wiper motor looks new. We got hood insulation under the hood. Very nice motor compartment. Well, you're going to hear what that custom exhaust sounds like now. Stainless MagnaFlows kind of give it like a European sports car mixed with muscle car sound. Everything fits nice, shuts nice. Again, the fit and finish on this car is very impressive. Top to bottom, even the engine compartment. And from what I'm told by a lead mechanic, it's a real hoot to drive. So go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, including how to get this in your driveway and how to get it financed. It's all at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. That way you're notified as the next videos are posted. Thanks for watching. Jay lies in his videos. I drove the car and it didn't hoot once.